Shield yourself from online threats in 2025. Norton's back-to-school deals offer incredible savings on top-tier security software. Don't wait for a cyber attack to ruin your life. Get protected today. Check the video description for links to snag these deals before they're gone. Number 1. Norton AntiVirus Plus provides essential protection for a single device at an unbeatable price. This surprisingly affordable option goes beyond basic antivirus, defending against malware, ransomware, and hacking. Number 2. Norton 360 standard ups the ante with protection for 3 devices, plus a VPN for secure browsing and dark web monitoring. Shockingly, this comprehensive plan is now available at a significant discount. Number 3. Norton 360 Deluxe is the ultimate family protection plan, covering up to 5 devices. The incredible value includes 50 GB of cloud storage, parental controls, and all the features of standard. Number 4. Norton 360 with LifeLock Select Plus offers maximum protection with identity theft monitoring and reimbursement for up to 10 devices. This is surprisingly crucial in today's dangerous digital landscape. Number 5. Norton AntiVirus Plus is again highlighted for its exceptional value as the entry-level option. Don't delay. Secure your digital life today.